About area and volume questions again, and then they say that there is a right prism with a square base area 84 cm square. They didn't mention the shape, so I just randomly draw a shape. And then they say that the base area is 84 cm square with the height 20. So which is good enough to calculate the volume of this solid. And then we cut to two similar right pyramid and the pyramid with the square base. So the pyramid may be like this. And similar, that means we have one more, maybe a smaller one. But make sure that they have the same shape. And then they say that the ratio of the base area, they don't tell you anything about that directly, but they tell you the ratio. That means if the base area of the first pyramid is A1, then this is A2. Then they tell you that A1 to A2 is equal to 4 to 9. Whenever there is area and volume questions, most probably you are going to use the ratio. If you know the area ratio, you can get the length ratio and volume ratio. So to do so, we trace it back to L1 to L2. It should become square root 4 to square root 9. So that's why this is 2 to 3. And then from the length ratio, we can also get the volume ratio. Is equal to 2 power 3 to 3 power 3. That's why it's 8 to 27. That means if you are going to let the area of A1 and A2, you will say that, oh, we let A1 equal to 27 pieces of our unit, 27K. Then A2 will become 8K. So now that means the total volume is 20 times 84 base area times height. And then will equal to volume of the larger pyramid plus the volume of the smaller pyramid. Why we let 8K and 27K is because of this ratio. And if we let in this way, then we can have only one unknown. Then we can solve K afterward. So 35K is 84 times 20. Then K is equal to 84 times 20 divided by 35. Divide both sides by 5, we have 4 and 7. Divide both sides by 7, we have 12. So that's why K is equal to 48. But the question is not yet finished because we need to find out the larger pyramid volume. So what we interested is 27K. So we write down our answer now. Therefore, is equal to 27 times 48. Is 1296 cm cube. Of course, you won't write this drawing in your exam paper. Just draw it in your draft paper, and then the formal presentation. I'm going to finish it once again. Since A1 to A2 is equal to 4 to 9, L1 to L2 is equal to 2 to 3. So V1 to V2 is equal to 8 to 27. So, and then therefore 84 times 20 is equal to V1 plus V2 is equal to 8K plus 27K. Then we get K is equal to 48. Therefore our target is equal to 27 times of our unit 48. We get 1296. That's how you finish part A. And then part B. In part B, they give you more information about the larger pyramid. After that, you have to find out the total surface area of smaller pyramid. So in this case, we draw a larger pyramid. And don't forget the base is square with a square base. And then they tell you directly is the vertical height here is 12. Uh, Together with the volume we just find, so it's possible for us to find out B here. So we should try to find out the base length of a square. The volume of a pyramid is 1 over 3 times B squared times 12. And it's given that it's 1296. We find it out. So B is equal to 18 or negative 18, but that one is rejected. And then so we know this is 18 now, and this is 18. There are two strategies for you to find out the total surface area of a smaller pyramid. You may calculate the total surface area of a larger one, and then by using the area ratio, or you may start drawing a smaller one. To use the ratio to get every length of a smaller one. I'm now going to get the surface area of the larger pyramid first. Then I just use the area ratio directly. I think it's more convenient for me. To find out the total surface area, we have to draw a net for this shape. That means we just change it back to 2D form. To form this kind of shape, we need some paper like this. We already know this is 18. And then, but the problem is about the triangle. We don't know what is this height yet. Beware that this height is not 12 because it's not on the same plane. We are talking about the blue line. It's this line. So, to get the blue line, we try to use the Pythagoras theorem because this is the height, that means this is vertical. And then if we consider the cross section, 12. Furthermore, we know that the distance here is half of the length. It's because you may consider it's at the middle of this base square. So this is 9, and then we try to find out what is the height here. So I let it be h. H is equal to square root 12 square plus 9 square, or by 3 to 4 to 5. You know this one is 15. So now we have 15, then we can get the surface area for a larger pyramid. Therefore, S2 is equal to a square, 18 square, and then plus we have 4 triangles. Triangles formula 1 over 2 base times height. The base is 18 while the height is 15. A64 is the surface area of a larger pyramid, but it's not enough because we need to calculate the surface area of a smaller pyramid. But you know that they are connected by this ratio. So the smaller surface area to the larger surface area is 4 to 9. Now we already know the larger one is A64. So the smaller surface area is 4 over 9 times of A64. We get is 3A4 cm square. So that's all for this question.